chocolate, coffee, and cake. They are perfect of sweet treats, a brunch, or even dessert. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the delicious chocolate chip coffee cake. First, you're going to start by preheating your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The first step is to put in a stick of room temperature unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then you want to cream it together until light and fluffy. Now you're going to add 2 jumbo eggs. You're going to beat in one at a time, making sure to scraping the bowl occasionally. Put it in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and keep going. We're going to set this aside and then we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and stir this together with a wire whisk. So once you stir in, you're going to add the flour mixture, alternating 1 cup of whole milk just little by little. Then keep going, and don't forget to scraping down on the bottom of the bowl. Just give it a nice fluffy batter. Gradually stir in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and fold it into the batter, using with the rubber spatula. Once you mix everything really well, you're going to pour the batter into 9 by 13 inch baking pan has been slightly greased. Spread it evenly on the edge of the pan. We'll set it for later, and now we're going to make the streusel toppings. To make the streusel toppings in a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then a half a cup of firmly packed light brown sugar, and break it over using with a spoon, fork, but you can also use a pastry blender as well. Now I'm going to add in another stick of room temperature unsalted butter. Now you want to cut in the butter to the flour and sugar mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. You can also use a fork or a pastry blender if desired. Streusel topping is here. Now you're going to sprinkle on top of the batter. And I like to sprinkle with the remaining 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips to give it a nice and chocolatey taste. Okay, next you're going to bake it for 25 minutes in a preheated oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just keep an eye on it in the oven. After it's baked for 25 minutes, take it out of the oven, put it on a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Now for the last presentation, we're going to make powdered sugar glaze. That's going to be 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and a 4 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then you want to combine 3 of those ingredients in a small bowl and then stir it with a spoon. Kind of give it like a really glossy and shiny glaze. Alright, once the cake is cool, you're going to drizzle the glaze on top of the cake. You can also pour a whole glaze on top of the cake once it's hardened, but it's up to you. Just drizzle it using with a spoon, and drizzle it. But anyway, once the glaze drizzle on top of the cake, now we're going to cut into it, probably a square or a rectangle. I like to cut into 12 even size with the rectangles. I almost forgot to tell you, you gotta have some vanilla ice cream right next to your cake. This chocolate chip coffee cake is the best and is very delicious. If you like more recipes, please give me a big thumbs up for everybody and leave me a comments below, and then don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys gonna love those cake and enjoy.